The separable verbs are a group of verbs that are recognized pretty simple with a little help. Look at these three examples here. Ich mache das Licht aus, I turn the light off, and like turn off in English, we would use off turn as a verb, as an infinitive. So the basic verb is ausmachen. Du stehst mir bei, you assist me or you console me, and the infinitive is beistehen. The last example, fährt mit Peter mit. He drives with Peter, or together with Peter, and the infinitive form is mitfahren. So how do I know when to put this little part, this little piece here, which we call prefix, by the way? You see this here. How do I see that I have to put that at the end? Well, as you can see here, I have separated most of the prefixes in three groups. The first group might remind you of the dative prepositions. Please be careful, there's a giant difference between a preposition and a prefix, which we will take a look at later, but they resemble the dative prepositions pretty much. So go to the dative preposition video, learn aus, bei, mit, nach, seit, von, zu, and you see most of them are also found here as separable prefixes. For the accusative prepositions, I can only offer two, which also can be inseparable, that we will cover in the next video. So durch and through and around, more or less. Vor, an, auf, ein, hin are similar to the Wechselpräpositionen, two-way prepositions. So with the help of the prepositions and preposition songs that you will learn, or hopefully already have learned, you can recognize the separable verbs. The form is pretty clear here, and as you can see, the prefix always goes to the very end of the sentence. While in this example I have twice mit. So once at the very end, this is the part that belongs to the verb, the prefix, and I have something that gives me more information, mit Peter, with Peter. And this is a preposition because it's in front of Peter, in front of something. A preposition is never to be found at the very end of a sentence. This is the main difference between preposition and prefix.